Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here to show you guys some printed make products. So we're going to design some printed make products. We're going to look at some integration stuff, but I just want to show you guys possibly some new products that you weren't sure that these print-on-demand companies provided, and we're going to design them, and I'm eventually going to order them so I can show you guys the quality and do the unboxing, because I truly enjoy doing that. I know sometimes I talk a lot about t-shirt, journals, and mugs, but I want to be able to show you guys different products that these websites do offer, and just so I can provide that actual visual aspect so you don't have to do all the ordering yourself. You can actually see it firsthand from someone else. So I'm going to go right over to print on demand and make sure you guys subscribe. So I'm already logged in, or at least I thought I was logged in to my account. And here it has the shop button. We're going to look at that, but I wanted to come down to this integrations button because I know this was a question that a lot of people ask. So currently now you can integrate with Etsy and Shopify. Again, you need to email support to connect your shop. Very important. They also look like they're starting to open it up, and they will be adding WooCommerce and Squarespace to their integration soon as well. So that is definitely something that you guys should stay tuned for and do it. I am initially going to try to send that email to connect my Etsy store to print and make and show you guys the process of that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead over here and hit shop. And of course, all of the products come up here. They have them by, you can sort by different products, but we're just going to scroll. So they have aprons, pillowcase, t-shirts, baby beanie, bibs, birth cloths, headbands, totes, beach totes, little baby dresses, towels, and more. So I want to sort by, I thought they would give me like, okay, I can do it up here. So let's see what the new products are here that they have. So they have a tab that says new products. So they have the camp mug. Oh, y'all, it's going down. They have candles. Okay, so I'm going to try that out. I'm going to try the candle out for sure. They have mats, pet bone mats, face mag, pet collars. They have crew socks and fox faux fur minkies. Okay, so definitely going to try the candle out. What else they have? Baby and kids. This whole entire section is amazing. I'm going to try one of these. I don't have any kids, but I really want to see the quality of it. So I think I'm going to do one, and then if I find someone with a baby, or my daughter's doll baby, and maybe she can use that to put on the baby's head. I don't know anybody who's, I know one person who's pregnant, but yeah, this would be super cute. So little pillows, birthing cloths, and things like that. Let's see. They have accessories. So the full products, that is definitely something that I want to test out too. So maybe I'll do a canvas or a foil. Okay, so let's go back to the new products and let's check out this candle. Yes. Okay, come on, print and make. All right, so it says candle hand pour. Design is one-sided. Price is $10.50 each. No color dyes. Hand poured soy blended wax. Max pearl finish photo paper. Burn time 50 hours. Birthday cake, campfire, cinnamon bun, coconut lime, eucalyptus, hazelnut coffee, lavender, magnolia blossom, marine salt air, passion fruit, guava, peony, and pumpkin pie. Ooh. So the size for this is 900 by 750. So we're going to go over to Canva, and I am going to look for, do they have like labels? So I'm not sure if they have like labels. Okay, so they have like because I want to create something that's cute. So I kind of like that one. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. And then what did the size? Let's go back to the size. 900 by 750. Just gonna resize this and do 900 by 750. I'm gonna hit resize to see the size, and we're gonna go also look at some of the pictures. So it's just kind of showing you the pictures and where you put your design here. So I'm probably gonna go with the coconut line, and they also offer a template here, and your file type needs to be JPG or PNG, and then you also get the style stock. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and create my template because I really like the cinnamon bun too. So let me see if I can find a photo of cinnamon. It says cinnamon bun. And then cinnamon bun. Let's see. Just something kind of different and unique. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. I love that they have these pictures though. Okay, and I'm gonna name it Cinna Bun. So I want to change the name because I know there's a place called Cinnabon, but I think it's spelled different. Okay, so that's spelled like that. So then I'm going to take out one N because this is a nickname me and one of my friends have. So this would be cute to do. Let me see. I might change that font. So Cinnabon. I want that in the middle. I think I want this like a nude color. Let's see. Let's find a nude. Like not brown, but like a... Okay, I want to go lighter, but I'll have to find it. And the background, let's see. So I'm probably going to move this over and this down so I can use this full length here. But I feel like I kind of want to bring this circle. I don't want it to be that big. Or maybe I just might choose a different shape. So maybe I could take that off in general. And then I can play around with this. Like that. Cinnabon. And put coins and connections. Make sure I spell that right. Put that there. And let me see. It says something about a mock-up art file. Let's see what the template says. Is there anything that we need to add on it? So it looks like the printed ink label. I don't know if that's the printed ink label going to be on it. But let's look at the mock-up PSD and see. That's also something that we should look into. Okay, I couldn't get that. So, see, style stock. I'm just clicking everything for you guys so we kind of know what, you know. Oh, and then it says Cinnabon is sold out. Damn. I just forgot I read that. Restock mid-April. So yeah. Wow. Okay, so that's what it looks like. All right. Y'all. So I'm still gonna finish designing it since I already here. It's 9-ounce candle, so we can do that. We could put 9 ounce. Oh, where did it go? Oh, I forgot it's in black. So 9 ounce. And I'm gonna put smells like grandma's kitchen. And I'm going to change that to white. So now, even though Cinnabon is sold out, it's okay. Because I'm still going to download it. And I'm going to do it in PNG. And then I'll just redesign for a different scent. But since I'm already like committed and halfway through, I'm not going to go in and change it. Okay, so yeah, because I would have to start all over. And I'm not going to do that. All right, so let's go ahead and upload my image. I'm going to upload that file that I just created with the Cinnabon, which is super cute in my opinion. Click on it and then hit insert. So it looks like I need to make it a little bit smaller. Where are we? Here. So bring it in just a little bit. Okay, download it one more time. And then do that again. So here, how do I delete? Okay. So I took that off, went to download the next one. So I'm going to upload the new one. Here. Let's see how that looks. Okay, much better. Okay, so you can see it. And then we're going to hit next. And this is what it will look like. That's so cute. Look at your candle, girl. You done made a whole candle. So then it says, I have agreed and approved my design. So I would just hit finish. And then if I want to buy it, of course, here I would choose 1 or 2 day express. If I wanted that, I could put a gift message or anything in there, and then I would check out. So another thing that you guys also might have missed, go to the home page. They do have custom packaging. So you can choose your setting, and it just kind of tells you what custom labeling, crinkle paper, have it wrapped with ribbon and twine, cello bags, custom packing slips, product labels, gift boxes, all of those different things with different, different types of plans. So there's the basic and the deluxe. So I'm excited to go back in and design a new candle for a scent that is in stock and to order it. So I'm excited about all the things that I'll be ordering soon. and I'll be doing an unboxing for you guys, but I'm really stoked about this candle on Print and Make. I was trying to do more than one design in each video, but I don't want them to be too long, so maybe I'll just save that for another day. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. We found something new, exciting to try. So until next time, I love you more than love this video. Peace.